Okay, so anyway, so basically I'm just putting on the belt loops. And so this is the first and then so after I do one, I'm dovetailing these. Like if you notice, like I'm not cutting the thread in between. I'm just putting the next one, and then I'm disengaging the thread, make sure the needle is going up and starting to come down, and then I just set it up, and I'm trying to sew it by this line. Okay, I'm putting and I made these belt loops with this extra part so that I could sew it like that, because even though your belt is a little bit it's 1.5 inches. Okay, but these belt loops are 2.5 inches, and then there's this extra part. Okay, those are the two back. So we got two more. So this is gonna go fast. This is the slower part, but you're still seeing how I'm doing it. And then again, I'm dovetailing. So I disengage the thread, and I finish sewing that belt loop. Now I'm just going to the next belt loop. Okay, and then I'm sewing it near the bottom edge so that I'm trying not to catch the string. And then also I'm locking it at different places. Okay, I'm doing the lock stitch, you know, backing it, going back and forward, so that way because the belt has it can be stressed, and so like if once you have the belt on, like it can stress and be pulling, and so you want to have extra stitches, because if you just sew it like one little stitch and go across, then it'll probably it'll be easy for the belt loop to come apart. Now I finished the first part. Okay, so that's the bottom. So now I'm gonna go to the top. Okay, because I finished the bottom. So now I'm gonna go to the top, and I'm gonna just connect this. And also I put this little chalk that can erase, but I put this chalk so I know where I want to put the belt loops. But now that I've done the bottom part, now I'm going to the top. And now I'm not cutting the thread or anything. I'm just moving it over. And then one thing what I'm doing, once I get it set up, before I put the needle in the thread, I kind of pull the elastic a little bit. Okay, to kind of well, that can get by. But I pull the elastic a little bit on both sides so that way the elastic is kind of stretched. But you notice I'm doing a lot of back stitching and adding extra stitches. And then from there, I finish that one, and then I go to the next one. Okay? And I already went all the way around the bottom part, so now I'm doing the top part. And again, I'm pulling the elastic thread just a little bit. But I'm also locking it. I'm locking it really good on the front. I'm locking it in the middle, and then I'm locking it on the end. Now we only got 4 more to go, and then we'll be finished. And this is gonna go quick because we almost done. And because these pants are, I made these pants different, and they're not quite as wide. I still put 6 belt loops. I think on the first pair I only put 5. But then, or either I put 7, I think, because what happened, I needed more. I just felt like I needed to add more belt loops to make them sturdy, because I figured, you know, since they're for, you know, what you're gonna use them for, then.
What are they gonna be used for?
You know, for concealed carry. But so that's why. In fact, that's what these are. These are custom. These are custom you know, we're making these pants so that they'll work perfectly for concealed carry to hold the belt underneath. Okay, and then this is going to be the last one. Okay, and so then again, before we do it, we just pull the elastic a little bit, and then get it started, and then come to this end and then pull the elastic. But now we have to be doing these back stitches in here. The reason why is because when you're wearing these pants and the belt, the stress is going to pull them. Okay, but anyway, so then from here, now look, you pull it out at least this far, and then clip clean. And then after that, you do the same thing that's on the other video, which is, and that's, but anyway, so these are done, ready for you to do that. So that's